Okay, so the sun is made of hydrogen. So I went up to the sun and I got some hydrogen to share with you all. This here is a bottle of hydrogen from the sun, and it's 3% sun. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen from the sun. Hydrogen, 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 just hydrogen. So I got this hydrogen from the sun, and now that I have a bottle of hydrogen, I wanted to show you this bottle of hydrogen because I went a very long way to go get it for you. I had to, kind of swim up into the sky a little bit, and then I had to pass a few things on the way up, and then I got up to the sun, and I asked if it would be okay if I took some hydrogen back, and they said it's fine as long as you use our brand, which is Equate. That's the company on the sun. They sell their hydrogen if you can go up there, and now that I went all the way up there, I thought I'd come back and show you some of this hydrogen that I got from the sun. I just ignore everything else because they use that to kind of confuse you. But this here is a hydrogen from the sun. I went all the way up to the sun and I got some hydrogen. Sorry for the confusion. Okay, I'm guessing it's going to be pretty bright. So the hydrogen from the sun has this cap on it to protect you from blindness, and maybe I should wear. I don't know if it's warm. I mean, it feels like it feels pretty stable and cold, but I think when it mixes with the air, it might turn into hydrogen from the sun. So I think it'll be okay. It's not very bright. I thought it'd be brighter than this. But, unless it has to be activated somehow. I need well, it might be flammable. Let me hydrogen. What are you doing on Earth? You're supposed to be in the sun. Maybe if I charge it up. We'll try that for a little bit, and we'll be back and see if that changes anything. Okay, so it's been about like 10 minutes, and I think the hydrogen should be sufficiently charged. So let's try this again. It might be melted. I think I charged it for too long. It turned into a liquid. So maybe if I freeze it, it'll go back to normal hydrogen. I'll be right back. Okay, so the hydrogen has been in the freezer for 5 minutes, so it should be a solid now. So I'm going to it's still liquid, but maybe that's okay. Maybe the gas will what we can do is we can squish the hydrogen just a little bit, and then take some of the gas, place it here, a little bit more. Okay, so I placed the hydrogen gas here. Unfortunately, I forgot to put a hydrogen fence, so I'm going to make a fence for the hydrogen, and we'll be right back once that's done. Okay, so now we have our hydrogen fence, And I made sure that it was a temperature so that it doesn't become flammable. And so let's try this again. It's important to wear your safety just in case the gas ignites and it's very bright. Maybe if I hold my hand. Okay, I think that should keep it, but the problem is I forgot to put a ceiling on it. So the gas was contained on the sides, but then it just floated back up. So I'll be right back with the ceiling. Okay, I got my ceiling, and this should work. So, yep. Okay. Okay, then check the temperature. Make sure it's a humid environment. And when there's enough humidity, then it should do something, I think. Okay, so now I've contained the hydrogen, and it's not very bright. So I'm just going to charge it for a little bit, and we'll come back and see what happens. Okay, so I charged the hydrogen for about 10 minutes, which should be enough. And as you can see, it's still the same. So I don't think it's as bright as I thought it was going to be, and there's no temperature to it. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with the hydrogen once I have it from the sun. So maybe I could go swim back up to the sun and ask them what I should do with the hydrogen, and then I'll be back and I'll let you know. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get back up to the sun because there was some stuff in the way. So I don't really know if I can continue this. But thank you for watching, and we'll wait till I can get back to the sun to ask what to do next.